Today we are going to deal with the most important topic in human reproduction, that is gametogenesis. So let us start off with the introduction. Here in gametogenesis, let us know what is the meaning of gametogenesis. So gametogenesis is a process of formation of gametes, namely sperm and egg, by undergoing meiosis in the sex organs, that is testes in males and ovaries in females, is called as gametogenesis. So gametogenesis is a most important process. It is a most important reproductive event in the life cycle of human beings, because it involves production of the gametes in the sex organs, especially testes and ovaries. So the production of these gametes begins at the age of puberty, which is in between 13 to 16 years of age. So gametogenesis in case of humans undergoes two important processes. One is spermatogenesis, that occurs in males, and oogenesis, that takes place in females. So here let us know what is spermatogenesis. Spermatogenesis is a process of formation of haploid sperms. It is a process of formation of haploid sperms by undergoing meiosis in the testes. So these sperms are produced from their germ cells, which are called as male germinal cells, or they are also called as spermatogonial cells, or they are also named as primordial germ cells. So let me repeat once again. Spermatogenesis is a process of formation of sperms from the male germinal cells by undergoing meiosis in the testes. So the entire process of spermatogenesis takes place in the seminiferous tubules of the testes. So let us know about the steps involved in spermatogenesis, or the phases involved in spermatogenesis. So here the entire process of spermatogenesis takes place in three important steps or stages. The first phase is called as the phase of multiplication. Second is the phase of growth, and third is phase of maturation. So here in the first step, that is in phase of multiplication, the male germinal cells or the primordial germ cells multiply in their number. So they increase in their number by undergoing mitotic division in order to form spermatogonia. So here finally in the first phase, spermatogonia are formed. Now next, second phase is called as the phase of growth. So here in this stage, the spermatogonia increase in their size. So they stop division and they increase in their size, and now they are called as primary spermatocytes. So please remember, these primary spermatocytes are diploid, that is 2n. Now next, third phase is called as phase of maturation. So in this phase of maturation, there are two steps, namely meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. So in meiosis 1, the primary spermatocytes undergo reduction division, that is meiotic division, in order to form two secondary spermatocytes. And in meiosis 2, each secondary spermatocyte further divides to form two spermatids. So finally, in the phase of maturation, spermatids are formed. So these spermatids later on get converted into sperms. So these are the three important stages in spermatogenesis, namely phase of multiplication, phase of growth, and phase of maturation. So here in the diagram, you can see that the entire process of spermatogenesis, it takes place in the seminiferous tubules of the testis. So as I have told you, the entire process of spermatogenesis gets completed in three phases. First phase is the phase of multiplication, where the male germinal cells or primordial germ cells undergo mitotic division in order to form spermatogonia. In the phase of growth, these spermatogonia increase in their size to form primary spermatocytes, and in the phase of maturation, primary spermatocytes further divide to form secondary spermatocytes. So each secondary spermatocyte further divides into spermatids. So here let us know what is spermiogenesis. Spermiogenesis is also called as spermateleiosis. So let us know what is spermiogenesis. So immediately after spermatogenesis, the immature, non-motile, non-functional spermatid gets converted into a haploid, functional and an active sperm. So this entire process of transformation of the spermatid into sperm is called as spermiogenesis. So next, let us know about the hormonal control of spermatogenesis. So as I have told you, the entire process of sperm production is under the control of hormones which takes place at the age of puberty. So here there are two important hormones that regulate the process of spermatogenesis, namely FSH and LH. So as you know, FSH and LH are the two important gonadotropic hormones produced by the anterior lobe of pituitary. So pituitary gland, it is the smallest endocrine gland located in the hypothalamus. So this pituitary gland contains two important hormones, that is FSH and LH. So FSH and LH, they are commonly called as gonadotropic hormones, or they are called as gonadotropins because these two hormones regulate or they control the functioning of the gonads, that is the sex organs. So here these two hormones, that is FSH and LH, control the functioning of the sex organ, that is the testis. So FSH, it acts on the Sertoli cells or sustentacular cells present in the seminiferous tubules, and they help in the process of spermiogenesis. And LH hormone, it acts on the Leydig cells, that is the interstitial cells of Leydig present in the testis, and they help the Leydig cells to produce a hormone called as testosterone. And apart from that, this LH, it acts on the Leydig cells and it helps in the process of spermatogenesis. So finally here the entire process of spermatogenesis is controlled by two important hormones of the pituitary, namely FSH and LH. So FSH, it helps the Sertoli cells to carry out the process of spermiogenesis, and LH, it helps the Leydig cells to carry out the process of spermatogenesis. So this is how the entire process of spermatogenesis is regulated by. So finally, in today's session, we have studied about gametogenesis. So gametogenesis is a most important process during which formation of gametes takes place in the sex organs, namely testes and ovary. So finally, in the testes and ovary, production of sperm and ova takes place. So this entire process is commonly called as gametogenesis. So gametogenesis is of two types, namely spermatogenesis and oogenesis. So spermatogenesis is a process of formation